In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to Gallery. If you have pictures stored in Google Photos and you want them to appear in your phone's local gallery, this process is very simple. The main thing to understand is that some images in Google Photos are only stored in the cloud, which means they are visible in the app but not actually downloaded to your device yet. To get them into your gallery, you'll need to save them directly to your phone. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're inside the app, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the photo library where your images are stored. This is where you'll be able to find the picture you want to transfer. Next, select the image you want to move to your local gallery. This is important. The photo should not already be saved on your device. It should be a cloud-based photo or a shared photo that you can view in Google Photos, but that does not yet appear in your phone's gallery app. If the image is already stored locally, you may not see the same download option because it's already on the device. After you've opened the photo and confirmed it's the one you want, look for the three-dot menu usually found near the top corner of the screen. Tap that menu to open more options. Then choose Download. This will save the image directly to your phone, which should also make it appear in your local gallery. If you're working with multiple photos instead of just one, the process is slightly different. Rather than opening each image one by one, select the photos you want and then press the Save button, which appears as a small cloud icon. This is the option used to save several cloud-based images to your device at the same time, making the process much faster. Once the download finishes, you can leave Google Photos and open your phone's Gallery app to confirm the transfer. If the image doesn't show up immediately, give your phone a few seconds to refresh, especially if you downloaded several files at once. And that's all you need to do. Open Google Photos, choose a cloud-based image, and use the download or save option to place it onto your device so it appears in your gallery. It's a quick and reliable way to keep important photos available locally whenever you need them.